أهلا بيكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 130 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. وهنتكلم على الروابط النوع رقم 11 في اللغة الإنجليزية، وهي الروابط المسؤولة عن المقارنة أو المفاضلة. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 130 and I am going to talk about how to use connectors to show a comparison, or in other words, how to use connectors to show uh, differences or similarities, and how to use them in everyday life and everyday conversation. So let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors, conjunctions, comparison, مقارنة أو مفاضلة. Examples: he is as clever as his brother is. He is not as tall as I am. He is cleverer than his brother is. Janet is prettier than Susan is. When I write the verb between brackets, that means you can write it or not. Okay? لما بحط الفيرب كده بين الأقواس، معناه إن ممكن أشيله وممكن أحطه the same. Alright? Connectors, conjunctions, comparison. These connectors can be used to make a comparison. In other words, it can be used to show the differences and the similarities between people and things. Connector example: as is, not so as, then, the more, the more, the more, the less. Okay, connector conjunctions, مقارنة أو مفاضلة comparison. The first one, as is. He is as clever as his brother is, and you can write it is or not. Okay, and when you find the verb between brackets like this, that means you can write it or not. She is as pretty as her mom is. He is as tall as I am. He is as tall as me. Notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. All right, notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. Clinton is as intelligent as his brother is. Not so as. He is not so clever as his brother is. She is not so pretty as her mom is. He is not as tall as I am. He is not as tall as me. Notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. Clinton is not as intelligent as his father is. Then he is cleverer than his brother is. Janet is prettier than Susan is. Clinton is more intelligent than David is. I am taller than he is. I am taller than him. Notice that he geometrically changed to be him. The more. The more you work, the more you gain. The more a man knows, the more he sees his ignorance. The more we study, the more we discover our ignorance. The more things a man is ashamed of, the more respectable he is. The more the well is used, the more water it gives. The greater the man, the more restrained his anger. The more, the less. The more fruit and vegetables you eat, the less chance you have of getting cancer. The more I thought about it, the less I liked the idea. The more exercise you do, the less tension you have. The more you laugh, the less you will be ill. The more you go jogging, the less you feel stressful. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And I always wish you all the best. See you soon. Goodbye and good luck.